Galing pa sila ng Switzerland para lang matood ng Voices and Versions. At ang buong pamilya ko, maraming salamat. Also from Zurich, Switzerland, and from Bangkok, Thailand, and Korea. Ito na, yung pong trailer ko ng Starting Over Again, kung nakita po nyo yung sa sinihan, ako po yung kumanta ng trailer. Pero syempre, si Miss Lani Miss Alucha, yung kumanta ng Melissa. So,
I deserve it.
Right.
I deserve an acceptable explanation.
Kumagaling ka lang, ha?
You deserve to be served.
You deserve an acceptable dinner.
Mamaya na kayo magkwentuhan dyan, ha? Galing yung mataba. Ay, sa mataba.
Miss Jan is okay.
And when I hold your arms, I promise you, you're gonna feel that's beautiful and me. This time I love you even better than I ever did before. Para sa mga masters. Bakit? Bakit hindi nyo ako binubudula? Hindi ko rin makamove on. At yung isa, gusto ko yung pangalan ng fan club ni Clarice, yung Klang Ina. Unique na unique. And you'll be in my heart forevermore. Mr. Bang, ladies and gentlemen. We're just too young to know before and never let it go. So easy to say the words goodbye, so hard to let the feelings go. I know how much I need you now, but time is turning back somehow as soon as our hearts and souls unite. I know for sure we'll get this feeling right. And now we're starting over again. It's not the easiest thing to do, like feeling inside again. 'Cause every time I look at you, I know we're starting over again. This time, we'll love all the pain away. Welcome home, my lover, my friend. 'Cause we are starting over again. We are starting over again.
Thank you very much.
Dedicated.
What a beautiful song. Thank you. Okay guys, may papatingin lang tayo ha.